Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the guide of 3D model building for simulation in Moldex 3D. In Moldex 3D, solid mesh is suggested for more precise simulation results. However, some users might meet the questions like how to build a solid mesh or how the best practice for mesh building. And these are the topics I'm going to talk about. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to introduce how the geometry of a model affects mesh quality and how do we get a solid mesh with good quality. There are two kinds of solid mesh can be generated in Moldex 3D Designer, eDesign, and Designer BOM. For the part of eDesign, it's an auto-generated solid mesh with a very simple concept. Tolerance of geometry defects is high and is suitable for most of the shapes of geometry. There are 5 levels in eDesign mesh. More precise results can be obtained for the mesh with a higher level. Normally, we will suggest the user to use level 4 with an ensure layer for the one who wants to check like a warpage results or better flow pattern. Okay. For BOM model, which is an initialization of boundary layer mesh, which provide higher resolution in thickness direction, and its mesh formation is easier to be tuned. The formation of an element can be checked by the pictures at the lower right-hand side. It shows the cross-section of BOM mesh in thickness direction. It often obtains fewer element counts than eDesign mesh, which means CPU time needed for simulation is shorter than the one for eDesign model. It's also recommended for the simulation for most of the add-on modules in Moldex 3D. The detailed explanation will be introduced in the next page. The mesh or the geometry file type, which is supported in Designer, are listed at the upper right-hand side. Almost all major original CAD files are supported to be imported to Designer.